Dire warning came from the Sonoma County Water Agency today about mandatory rationing. Unless things change dramatically in the next couple of months, customers will be asked to cut back by 30%. The agency serves 750,000 users in 3 North Bay counties. An economist at Sonoma State University says a 30% shortage could result in the loss of 37,000 jobs in Marin and Sonoma counties.
New research suggests Northern California's water worries are part of an irreversible long-term trend toward a desert climate. Evidence comes from miles above the Earth and a new analysis of how the upper atmosphere affects weather and climate on the surface. KTVU Health and Science editor John Fowler has this story.
Hazy, sunny, and warm. Today's weather may be a preview of a far drier climate to come.
Just having a day like this today in February is not right.
I'm kind of hoping that we do have a drought so that we actually have to start to be grateful for what we have.
New research shows a worrisome shift in the atmosphere. Up where jets fly, it's called the Tropopause. A critical dip in the Tropopause boundary produces desert climate. That boundary dip is moving north.
This whole desert belt around the globe creeping northward is something that has various tremendous consequences.
Especially for droughts.
They will be more frequent and more severe, and when they happen, they will last longer. And it's a really scary thought.
Less water means drier vegetation and increases the risk of bigger wildfires. Less snow and rainfall means less water for people and for farming, California's biggest industry and crucial to America's food supply. Since 1960, the sand-colored desert regions have crept northwards, according to this research, now up to about Los Angeles. They could cover the Bay Area in a few decades.
How I was raised, how I was brought up, and there was like plenty. To kind of turn around today and say there's not enough is really kind of scarier.
Scientists today blamed CO2, primarily from burning fossil fuel. People continue to dump greenhouse gases into the atmosphere with spectacularly long-term consequences.
The CO2 that is in the atmosphere today will continue to warm for centuries.
Previous research at Lawrence Livermore Laboratory showed how the Tropopause swirls and folds and drives weather below. Scientists from Colorado and Utah in today's study said they are confident that the desert climate prediction will come true. How fast, they said, depends on how well we control carbon emissions. Health and Science editor John Fowler, KTVU Channel 2 News.